Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I am announcing my new miniature bar. Now I have already completed it and it is ready for a tour, but the tour will take place in another video, in a separate video. In this video I am also pointing out some details in addition to announcing it. So here we have a waiter who's carrying the liquor and the fruits. There is also a bar area here and a number, meaning each customer receives a number, and there is a man sitting there waiting for more food. We have some stools with beer bottle caps, and we have a slot machine. So this is all that I'm sharing with you in this announcement, but believe me, there will be so much more for you to see. So I hope that you will enjoy all the details coming, and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.